Thunderbird. Okay, shout out to my caddy, Ate Christy. Oh, hi ka ate. Ayan, good morning. So this is my first time to play here in San Fernando to ate, di ba?
Yes po, sir.
San Fernando Thunderbird Golf Course. So yeah, we're in La Union with the wife. So we are doing a wellness retreat. So it's a permission to pause. So I'll also add the video to that. No, so we're doing a wellness retreat. Tapos I excused myself. That was the negotiation. Na if I can play. So from what I know, Thunderbird, this is 9 holes lang. So to play 18 holes, you just have to do another round. So it's called the Cliffs. And so this is the golf course here in Thunderbird. So if you want to inquire, ayan, no golfers around beyond this point. Okay. So this is their website and also their mobile number. So no expectations to break anything, pero syempre I'm just going to enjoy this round. Galing kasi during weekends you can play alone. Tapos akala ko initially you need to get a golf cart, hindi naman pala. So this is the first hole. Ayan, so you're right beside. Anong dagat to ate?
South China Sea.
South China Sea. Ayan, si Ate Christy. Hi ka ulit ate.
Hi, sir.
Ayan, good morning. Ayan, so we are right beside South China Sea sa first hole. Ayan, so it's dog leg left. So there's a bunker in the middle with the wind. Tapos the pin, ayan, the pin is on the left side. So the first hole, so I'll be playing the blue tees, is a par 4. From the blue tees, it's 343 yards. Okay. 343. Okay. Time to warm up a bit. Ate, par ilan ng the Cliffs? 36? 36, so 72 to. Okay, subok. Let's go. Ganda.
Kaipat po, sir. Safe po.
Okay, this is the view of the Cliffs. So these are their rooms or their hotels right beside. And there is the resort. Nice. Okay, so my tee shot went to the right of the rough, right of the fairway. So I'm left with 115 yards left. So hitting, the wind is left to right, hitting a full 56 degree pitch. Ay nako, landed short. Mahina ang aking tira behind, just in front of the green. Okay, this is the view. Okay, short kami ni Ate Christy, left with 28 yards, giving it right. One club ate?
Apo, sir.
Ganun kalaki ha? Okay. Ganun din. Okay, I have this putt for par, right to left, 9 paces.
Walang break, sir.
Okay, so first hole, very beautiful hole, pero bogey. Okay, so si Cliffs pala, course, this is the course rating and also the slope. Ayan. So surprisingly, this is par 72. Then the distance 3,040 for the blue tees. And so there are two par 5s, hole number 3 and hole number 8. Galing. Okay, so nice. Okay, heading to hole number 2. Currently I am 1 over. They also have their new facility, the driving range. Galing. Okay. Hole number 2 is playing 377 yards from the blue tees. So saan ang play natin, ate? Wow, ganda.
Pangalawang bunker po, sir. Dagat po.
Yung pangalawa yung sa kanan.
Opo.
Tapos nasan yung pin?
Sa dulo po, sir.
Sa kanan?
Medyo diretsyo na po siya banda doon, sir. Sa dulo kasi sa bunker natin.
Ah, ayun. Layo rin pala, no?
Opo, sir.
Ayun, the pin is here. Ito. Malayo rin, ah. Okay. Okay, so the bunker pala in the middle is 250 yards. So aim for that bunker in the middle. Hopefully it fades. Parang okay naman yan, ano?
Good shot. Gitna po, sir.
Landed. Diyan. Yan na lang ang aking manual tracer. Okay, hole number 2. Ganda, no? Wala nga masabing pangit, ate. Ay, ganda. Pero ang ganda nga talaga.
Yung araw na ganito lang. Hindi talagang mainit.
Oo nga eh. Kaya nga normally nagsusot ako ng saklub sa ulo eh. Baka mamaya. Pero ang ganda kasi yung mga bundok. Tapos yung dagat. Eh normally yung dagat, lakas makaitim yan eh.
Opo.
Di ba? Ang blue stick, ate, blue flag, ano yan? Harap?
Backpin po.
Backpin. Okay, we are left with 122 yards. Wind is right to left. I'm hitting a 50-degree wedge. Ay, ba't bumabagsak ako? Parang ako nagmamadali.
Opo.
Okay, that was a terrible second shot. Chunked it. Parang I'm in a hurry. So, okay lang. This is to go up and down for a par. Layo pa. Left with 45 yards. So, mga tirang 35, ate? Okay na yung 35. Okay. Gano'ng kalaki sa kanan tingin mo?
Kahit lagyan mo lang na ano, sir.
Isang putter?
Isang putter po.
Sobrang kanan naman. Little right. Okay. Medyo open. Okay, this is for my par. Downhill. Pero hindi sa mabilis yan, ano? Medyo basa. Okay, we're giving it 1 cup for my par or to go up and down for bogey. Ay! May tinamaan na. Kumaliwa. Double.
Double.
Ano ba yan? Ganda-ganda ng drive. Hole number 5, hole number 3. Unfortunately, I'm already 3 over. What a terrible double bogey. So unfortunately, nasira daw yung puntod. Ay, kung ano man yun sa score. So this is the par 5. Ilang yards, ate? Alam mo ba? 530.
530.
Wow, layo. So the aim is, sabi ni Ate Christy, ito. Sa kanan lang nung bunker. OB left. Tapos, dogleg left ba to, ate?
May konting pagdagdag po.
Konting dogleg left. Okay. So parang aim lang dito sa, kahit sa bunker mismo, no? Yung kanan na itong bunker na to. Okay. Stop cutting! Delikado.
Safe po, sir.
Sarap.
Opo.
Landed dyan sa rough, yan sa mga trees, sa mga yan, in between those. Alright, so merong water, pero kung tatawirin 200 yung tubig.
Mahigit pa po, sir.
Okay, so mas maganda play safe lang. So there's water in front which is to carry 200 tas it's against the wind. So So sabi ni Ate Christy, the play is to aim for this tree, which is mga 160. Ano yung 160 mo ate? Kasi kasama na yung hangin. Palong 160? Kasi against the wind naman. Sige, 8 na lang ate. Then, kasi to go for the pin, it's still around 300 yards. Tas against the wind pa. So, syempre play safe lang with an 8 iron. Aiming for that tree. Nako, parang delikado ah.
Dumiretso, sir. Safe po.
Okay, kita mo?
Before po, sir.
Nakita mo?
Opo.
Diretso.
Baka sakaling hindi nag-bounce.
Sana hindi nag-bounce. Okay. Maganda yung tama. Just a little right of the tree. Hopefully, it's safe. These are the resorts or the rooms. This is the water hazard that we were mentioning. Hopefully, ayun, I see the golf ball. I'm safe. Yan. If you're in La Union and you like playing golf, there's a golf course pala here in San Fernando. For the rates, I'll just share it with you guys later. Okay. I'm left with 155 yards to the flag. Front pin, pero it's against the fan. So I'm hitting my 8 iron. Takot na takot.
Dumiretso, sir. Safe po.
Takot sa tubig. Okay, super takot. Not familiar with the golf course. Kanan na kanan. Okay, this is to go up and down for my par. Left with 28 yards. Right to left, 28 yards. Try to nip a 60-degree wedge. Gano'n kalaki sa kanan ba yung mga?
Half club po.
Mabagal.
Opo, sir.
Wala, bilis.
Play.
Kabuka. Okay, I have this par putt. Left to right. Kung 6 ate, -1 o sa is lang din. Regular. Okay, for par. First par of the round. Saan tayo?
Dito, sir. Hindi din po doon. Doon po yung ano.
Ay, Tinty Mount?
box po.
Ah, ito. Okay.
Part 3 po yan.
Par 3. Hole number 4. I am currently 4 over. It's not as easy as I thought. Mahirap din yung golf course, so it's challenging din. Tapos wala pa akong experience. But so far, very pleasantly surprised. Ang ganda ng golf course. So currently, 4 over. Heading now to hole number 4. Okay, hole number 4. According to this one, it's playing 140 yards. First par 3, it's playing 145 yards against the wind. So I'm hitting a 9 iron.
Before po, sir.
Okay, landed super short. Kanan yung ano ko. Kanan yung tira ko na naman. Yan, right before the bunker. Ayan, hazard to the left. Okay, this is my tee shot. Left with 27 yards to the flag. Ang tingin mo dito ate? Right to left? Maliit lang ano? May isang grip? Kalahating putter. Baka makapar na tayo. Yan, sana makapar na kami ni Ate Christy. Ayan. Heading to... dito tayo ng hole 1. Ay, hindi ba ito hole 1? Okay. 8 pala yan. Sorry. Okay, so this is hole number 5. So... Ito yung sinasabing Santorini of the Philippines ate, di ba? Hole number 5. Kaya lakarin. Sabi ng mga kasama ko, mahirap lakarin. Malapit lang.
Malapit lang. Mas maano
exercise.
Opo.
Okay, hole number 5. Currently, I am, ano ba ako? 4 over. First part of the round. So it's playing 350 yards. Yan, diretso lang naman din siya. Pero I assume the play is to aim for that tree, this tree.
Rough po yun, sir. Rough po.
Okay, landed. Nag-slice ang aking drive. Nandito. Second shot. I'm left with 137 yards to the flag. Against the wind, so I'm hitting a 9-iron. Second shot landed on the green, left of the green. Medyo pull. Okay, we have this par putt, right to left. 13 paces. Malamang bogey na naman to. Layo. Anting mo ate? Anong target mo? Halos isang grip?
Okay lang, sir. Yung 1-8.
Okay.
Bogey.
Okay, hole number 6, par 3, 143 yards. This is their signature hole. Kaya naman pala. Ganda talaga. So right beside South China Sea. Yan, the cliff. So this one is playing 140 plus yards to the flag uphill. Ganda nga.
Good shot po on the green.
Ayan, picture tayo. Picturean mo ako ate. Okay, landed on the green. Just a little left. Hole number 6. Their signature hole. Okay, we have this birdie putt ni Ate Christy. Ilan ulit bilang ko? 11 ba? Mamaya ko na kunin yung gloves. Okay, very beautiful hole. That's why this is their signature hole pala talaga. Ganda. Kaliwa?
1 grip po sa kanina, sir.
Plus 1?
Opo.
Alright, so hole number 7. It's par 4, 290 yards. It's slightly dog leg right. And that's the pin. So the aim is, anong aim natin ate? Ito, yung bunker na yun. Okay, that bunker there. Okay, I can't hit my driver, so I'm hitting my 3-wood. Pero okay naman yun, ano?
Baka bangkay po, sir.
Ay, gano'n. May bunker pala doon. Slightly still open pa rin. Landed right of my target, so parang nandito. Okay, let's go. Landed in the bunker. Yan. So I'm left with 50 yards to the flag. One of the hardest shots in golf. So I'm hitting a 60-degree wedge. Pero parang pwedeng clean shot naman to. Mukhang matigas yung bunker. Ate.
Walang tubig dun, sir. Hazard lang po.
We are left with 30 yards to go up and down for my par. Left to right. So I'll try to nip a 60-degree wedge. Magkano kalaki sa kaliwa, ate?
1 club po, sir.
1 club. Kanan ako nagsimula. Ay, nako. Left to right, pero I went right sa simula pa lang. I have that putt for par. Okay. We have this putt to go back-to-back pars na. Bigay namin ni Ate Christy left inside. Okay, for par. Di bumali, pwedeng inside pala, no?
Bogey.
Alright, hole number 8. This is another par 5. I am currently, if I'm not mistaken, 6 over. Ay, malayo rin pala to, mahaba rin pala yung golf course na to. So, yan. Alright, hole number 8. Looks like it's slightly dogleg right. Haba, 512 yards. I don't see the pin. Ate, nasan yung pin? Sa may kanan. Natatakpan ng mga puno.
Nice shot.
That was the first decent drive after 8 holes. Right of that bunker where I was aiming. I think. Okay, still left with 260 yards to the flag. May bunker sa harap. The 260 is to carry. Pero bahala na. Minsan lang nandito, so I'll go for it with a 3-wood.
Par! Par! No.
Sobrang slice na naman. Akala ko kuha ko na, grabe, sobrang kanan. Diyan, sa mga punong yan, sa may caddy. Okay, because I went for the hero shot, penalty na naman. Okay, 60 yards, right to left. This is to go up and down for par, no?
Ako, sir.
Kanan naman masyado. Lahat kumakanan ah. Went right. Layong par putt. Okay, this is for my part. For my par, 14 paces right to left, 1 grip daw, sabi natin. Mahina ng konti, di pa nakuha yung par. Ay, sayang. Okay, another bogey. Sayang, akala ko malalaglag, inaantay ko malaglag, ate. Alright, last hole of the front 9. 346 yards, par 4. Hole number 9. Parang binogi ko lahat ng butas. Okay. Okay, hole number 9 is dogleg left. Ilang yards to, ate? 340, ano something. Tapos anong play?
Ang kanan po ng bunker.
Kanan ng bunker. Palong ilan dapat yun?
220 po.
220. Ano tingin mo? 3-wood? Ay, hindi. Pwedeng 3-wood lang, ano?
Good shot po. Gitna.
Okay, landed just right off that bunker. Tsaka na ako magsiseryoso sa back 9 na ako magsiseryoso. Take videos first for you guys. Again, I'd like to take this opportunity to thank everyone. If you're still watching, thank you very much. Would really appreciate it if you guys subscribe to the channel so that I can continue doing contents like this, like going out of the not out of the country, going out of town to play courses, so that eventually, if you play here in the Philippines, you have an idea of the layout already. So again, this is the first time I'm playing here in Thunderbird. The cliffs here in San Fernando, La Union. Very beautiful golf course. Very nice, surprisingly very nice. Very long. I didn't expect it to be this long. Tapos factor talaga yung wind. So most of the time I was going for it, not really playing well, but enjoying the round. Especially invite ng aking kadi si Ate Christy. Shout out. So yeah, this is the cliffs in La Union. Okay, so kaya pala hindi ko makita yung green. It's a dog leg left, and so it turns sharp turn to the left. Okay, for my second shot, I'm left with 105 yards to the flag against the wind. So I'm hitting a full 56-degree wedge. Go. Lakas ng hangin.
Opo, sir.
Laging plus dapat na isang pumalo pala pag against the wind. Hindi ko maano, ang lakas ng hangin pala dito talaga kasi nga siguro cliffs landed left short. Ay, okay. Sakto lang pala, pero mahangin din. Pero sakto 115, carried 105 because against the wind. Right to left to go up and down for my par. Ay, sayang. Par. Okay, at least now medyo I know na where to go. Hopefully, I can play better. So 7 over. Subukan natin to keep it down. Keep it low. Okay, landed right of the fairway. Same place where I was. So hole number 1. Second shot, left with 100 yards. Mukhang flyer lie. Hitting a full 60-degree wedge. Hinangin, biglang humangin. Okay. Landed. Short again. Biglang may hangin sa taas against the wind ko.
Nagka-cross po.
No? Nag-cross against ano? Okay, for my third shot to go up and down for potentially a par. Right to left. 20 yards. Bakas? Oh, alright. That's for my par. I have this par putt ni Ate Christy.
Opo.
Ate Christy, 5 paces. Left to right.
Mahigit 1 grip yan, sir.
Okay.
Side hill po na.
May kabilisan?
Opo.
Tumali ka agad.
Bogey.
Okay, back to, that was also a bogey again. So same as last time, bogeyed hole number 1. So currently I am 8 over. Okay, hole number 11 or hole number 2. This is where I double bogeyed. So same play, aim for the bunker sa middle, downwind. Huwag kang mag-bunker. Okay, went over the bunker, pero not the one in the middle. Left bunker, but at least over. Okay, for my second shot, I'm left with 125 yards. Avoid the double bogey.
Lampas, sir, sa likod. Pero okay lang po.
Sobra na naman. Basta wag lang mag-double bogey. Okay, they went over. Left and over. My second shot went over. Left to right. One grip. 18 yards. Paakyat naman ano?
Opo, sir.
Just landed right a little. For my par. Okay, we're giving this right inside for our par.
Kunting. Nice par.
Natuto rin. Okay, par. Okay, hole number 3, the par 5. I bogeyed this earlier. Landed right. Nag-slice. I think I went in that area. Okay, hopefully I can hit this better. Aiming for the right side of that bunker sa left.
Good shot po, sir. Diretso po.
Okay, right down the middle where I was aiming. Good shot daw, sabi ni Ate Christy. For my second shot, I can still hit another driver. 300 yards pa. So I'm aiming for that antenna. Yeah, that antenna in the middle. Para iwas trouble lang. So try to get it across with my 3-wood. Ay, nag-slice na naman. Lalo na puno.
Opo, sir.
Slice. Laki ng slice. Nandun ako sa kanan. Tinatangay din ng hangin, ano? Pero pa-slice din yung palo ko. Okay. Okay, this is for my third shot to go up and down potentially for a birdie. Left to right 80 yards. Tirang mga 70. Namin.
On the green po, sir.
Namin. Medyo kaliwa rin ng konti.
Opo.
Landed on the green for a first decent birdie putt pero malayo. Okay, we're giving this 1 cup left to right ni Ate Cathy. Tama? Christy pala, nagkamali na talaga ako. Left to right. Okay, for birdie. Come on to go back to 7 over. Okay. Kumaliwa.
Kumali.
Kinamay na naman ang damo. No?
Par.
So, that was a good par. For hole number, ano na ba tayo? 13? Lumalabas? 13 or 12? 13. Okay. We are 40, number 4 to eh. So this is playing 155, hitting an 8 iron again. Terry, pala ka. Parang 9 yata dapat ah. Sobrang-sobra.
Sa likod po, sir.
Medyo nabola. My tee shot went over left, but at least safe shot. Okay, so 18 yards left to right. This is to go up and down for my par. I have that putt for par. Come on. We're giving it right inside ni Ate. Okay. Hole number 14, par 5, par 4. Okay, currently 9 over. Kailangan makadalawang birdie dito sa back. Okay, habol. Ate.
Ayun, sir. Diretso.
Okay. That was a good drive. Right down the middle. Left with 95 yards to the flag, pero against the wind. So I'm hitting a full 60-degree wedge. Hopefully to go up and down for birdie.
On the green po, sir.
Okay, landed on the green. A little left and short. Come on, let's make birdies, please. Okay, 14 paces for potentially first birdie. right to left. Bagal. Mahina pa rin.
Sakto nga lang sir yung speed niya.
No? Kala pa rin kung bitin eh. Kala ko mahina eh.
Par.
Good par. Wow, signature hole. Beautiful hole. Sana par pa rin. Playing 140 something. Downwind. Hitting a pitching wedge.
On the green po.
Malayo.
Up.
Birdie putt. Malayo. Left of the green. For our birdie putt, one grip left to right. Extreme uphill. 15 paces. Firm na 17 dapat. Ay, kumanan ka agad. Okay, for our par. The view.
Lefting po.
Left or right?
Ay, right inside po sir.
Okay, hole number, ano to, 16?
16 po.
Okay, 16. Dog leg right. Kanina, hit a 3-wood, went in the bunker. So hitting lang a hybrid this time.
Good shot po. Sakto po sa pesto sir.
Landed middle of the fairway. For my second shot, I'm left with 77 yards to the flag with the wind. Left right to ate, no?
Opo sir.
Okay. Tirang mga 60. That is a good chance for birdie. Can't make a birdie. Right to left ang bigay namin ni ate. Kung ano man to, hindi ko na. Bahala na. Gawin ulit. Okay, that was a good par. Wala talaga hindi maka-birdie. Okay, hole number 17, last two holes. Last two chances to make birdie.
Good shot po. Lampas ng bunker.
Pareho kanina. No. Okay, lumpas sa bunker ulit. Diretso. Sabi ko, I won't go for the hero shot sa back nine, pero pinilit ako ni Ate Christy. Hindi, joke. Okay, go for it pa rin kami. 200 plus, 260 yata to the flag. Hitting a 3-wood again. Sana hindi na mag-slice. Bunker yata. Angat! Bunker.
Bunker po.
At least diretso na.
Opo.
Okay, that was a good contact. Nag-fade. Pero, yan, landed sa bunker. Pwede na. Sana. Let's see. For my birdie. Oh, make a ball. Sana. Sana make a ball. Okay, this is for our birdie. Potentially. Come on, Ate Christy. Maka-birdie naman tayo. Right center firm.
Opo. Nice birdie po.
Last hole. Dog leg left. So still aiming for that bunker sa left. Right of that. Tapos it turns left kagad yung butas. Okay, hitting a 3-wood. Behind. Scoopy tee shot. So I'm left with 135 yards for my second shot. Hitting a pitching wedge. And it's behind that tree. Yan, that red flag. Hitting a pitching wedge ate. That was a good hit. Little right lang of the green siguro. Or a little short. Okay, this is to go up and down for a par.
Kaliwa po, sir.
Lamang ang kaliwa.
Mas lamang po ang kaliwa.
So papabagsakin ko dapat dito kaliwa pa rin. Maliit lang ano.
Oops.
Hindi bumali. Okay, par.
Ay.
Okay, ito na lang ate. Pa-video na lang. Hey, par. Hey. Thank you very much. The Cliffs. Yan. Ti Christy, maraming salamat.
Thank you, sir.
Sana nag-enjoy ka sa pagod.
Thank you po sa pagpunta, sir.
Welcome ate. Salamat din sa pagkadi. Okay, I'm not sure what I scored, pero better yung back nine. Thank you very much. See you at the next one. See you at the fairways, tie shot, and love you all. Okay, so this is where you pay for the registration here in the Cliff. Okay. Yo. Good morning. Thank you. Okay.
Nag-book ka lang, sir?
Yes.
1.7 po.
1.7. Okay. Magkano ang rates nyo pag weekdays?
Same lang, sir.
1.7 lang then weekdays, weekends 1.7. Tapos with cart,
900 yung card, sir.
900 yung cart. Tapos ang minimum ng caddy is
500, sir.
500. Okay. Thank you. Nice shot.